Good day everyone. I am John Mark Alicum from Bachelor of Physical Education 1A. Traffic problems are becoming common not only in the big cities but also in my barangays. One of the most noticeable problem is double parking. Double parking happens when vehicles stop or park beside another parked vehicle, blocking part of road and causing inconvenience to others. In our barangays, double parking affects drivers, commuters, students, and even emergency vehicles. Roads become crowded, traffic slowdowns, and accidents may happen because of limited space on the street. In this video, we will discuss the causes and effects of double parking in my barangay and how science, technology, and society or STS can help or solve this problem.
Double parking is a common problem in our community because roads are narrow and parking spaces are limited. Some drivers park anywhere, especially near stores, schools, and markets.
Science helps experts study traffic flow and road condition in our barangay. Through research and observation, local officials can identify areas where double parking traffic plans. Science can also help in designing safer roads, parking areas, and traffic systems that reduce congestion. Technology provides modern solutions to traffic problems. CCTV cameras can monitor streets and identify drivers who violate parking rules. Traffic lights and road signs can also guide motorists properly. Mobile apps and online announcements can inform drivers about available parking areas and traffic updates in our barangay. Technology can also help barangay officials quickly report and respond to traffic problems. Last, the society plays the most important role in solving parking issues. Drivers must become disciplined and responsible citizens by following parking rules and respecting other road users. Barangay officials should strictly implement traffic regulation and conduct awareness campaign about proper parking. Residents can also cooperate by reporting illegal parking and encourage others to practice road discipline. When people work together, the community becomes safer, cleaner, and more organized.
Double parking ay nagdudulot ng abala, trapiko, disgrasya at sa mga pagpasok sa eskwela.
As a teacher, ano ang masasabi mo sa double parking issue?
Ang masasabi ko sa double parking issue ay nakakapagpalit sila sa mga tao. Na imbis na maaga kami makakapasok, hindi. Kasi nakaharang sila sa mga daan. Nagkakreate din sila ng aksidente, ng disgrasya. It's because imbis na makakadaan yung mga tao, ang nangyayari, nababangga pa sila. Tapos magiging kasalanan pa ng mga sasakyan. Another thing is, hindi makadaan ang mga ambulance na may mga dalang mga emergency. So, ayun ang nagiging effect ng pagkakaroon ng double parking.
Thus double parking, both the governments and citizens must work together. Authorities should strictly implement traffic laws and provide enough parking space in busy areas. Driver must practice discipline and patience by parking only in designated areas. Schools and communities can also conduct awareness campaigns to educate people about the dangers of double parking.
Simple actions, when done responsibly, can create safer and more organized roads for everyone. Double parking can be reduced by strictly enforcing traffic rules, providing proper parking space, installing clear road signs, assigning traffic enforcers in busy areas, and encouraging drivers to practice discipline and responsible when parking their vehicle.